हे गाइस, वेलकम। सो इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के बारे में, और आपको बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट 5 मेथड्स में आपको बताऊंगा जिसकी हेल्प से आप कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। सिंपल इंटरेस्ट समझना इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज उससे आपको डिफरेंस समझ आएगा कि कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में हमें अलग क्या करना है। सो एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। लेट्स से आपके पास 100 रुपए हैं, दिस इज योर प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट। ये आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है आपका 10% पर एनम एंड फॉर 2 years। तो आपने 100 रुपए 10% पर एनम के हिसाब से 2 साल के लिए इन्वेस्ट करें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में। सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर आपको 100 रुपए पे 10% के हिसाब से 10 रुपीज इंटरेस्ट आया। सेकेंड ईयर आपको 100 रुपए पे 10% के हिसाब से 10 रुपीज इंटरेस्ट आया। सो टोटल इंटरेस्ट आपको मिला 20 रुपीज और आपने लगाए थे 100 रुपए। So you will get 120 rupees as a amount, right? But what will happen in the case of compound interest is you will get interest on the interest. It means that आपको जो first year पे 10 rupees मिले थे as a interest, उस पे भी interest मिलेगा second year में। So let's understand that now for the compound interest. So same example लेके चलते हैं for the compound interest. Now this time we will have compound interest here as a compound interest. What will happen here is, so I am going to tell you the 5 methods with the help of which you can find the amount using these 5 methods. So the method number 1, so this method is based on the ratio. So what you need to do is you need to break this percentage into fraction form. So the rate of interest is 10% and you can write 10% as 1 by 10. So it says that if this is your principal, then this is your interest. It means that if you are spending 10 rupees, if you are investing 10 rupees, you will get 11 rupees. Hence the interest is 1 rupees. So that's how you need to break this percentage into fraction form. Now this is our principal and this is our amount which we will get. Now what you need to do is, so we have break this as 10 and we will get 11 rupees for the first year. And same will happen as a ratio form for the second year. 10 to 11 for the second year. Now what you need to do, you just need to multiply these two terms. You will get 100 and you need to multiply this, you will get 121. So this is your principal after 2 years. And this is your amount after 2 years. So now what you need to do, you need to compare the amount or the principal which you have invested with this ratio. So we have invested 100 rupees and this is same. It means that if principal is 100 then amount is 121. So after 2 years you will get 121 rupees. So the amount will be 121. What if we have invested 1000 rupees? So in that case the principal ratio is 100 and this is 100 parts of 1000. It means that one part is of 10, so you will get 1210 in the case of if you have invested 1000 rupees. I hope it is clear. So this is your method 1. Now let's see the method 2. So in method 2, what you need to do is you need to use one formula. This formula is nothing but AB formula. So the formula is A plus B plus A into B upon 100, where A and B is the rate of interest. Now here you have a rate of interest 10% per annum and this is same for both the years. It means that A is same, B is same. Just fill the values here. So what you get is 20 plus 1 is 21%. So what you need to do, directly you need to find 21% of 100. So 100's 21% is 21 rupees. So this is your interest. So the principal plus interest is your amount, which is 100 plus 21 is 121. So this is your answer. Now method 3rd. In the third method, you need to draw a tree. So what we need to do is, so we have years, first year, second year. So in the first year you have invested 100 rupees and you got interest of 10 rupees. In the second year, you invested 100 rupees, you also got an interest of 10 rupees at the rate of 10%. Whatever you have invested, so this is the calculation for the first year. So at the end of first year, you will get 110 rupees. But for the second year, you will get the interest on this 100 rupees as well as the interest on this 10 rupees. So the interest of this 100 rupees will be 10. So the interest rate is 10%, and the interest of 10 rupees, 10% is 1. So if you add all of these values, you will get 121. So this is the amount after 2 years. So this is your answer. Now let's see method 4. In the fourth method, what you need to do is you need to understand the percentage. So it is saying that 10%. So the 10%, if you are going to invest 100 rupees, you will get 10% more on that. It means that you will get 110% of 100 on the first year, which is 110 rupees for the first year. So what you need to do, just this 10% is same as 1.1. So you need to multiply the principal with this value 1.1. So you need to calculate for the 2 years, again 1.1. So this is 100 into 11 into 11 upon 10. So this is gone. 11 into 11 is 121. So the amount which you will get after 2 years will be 121 rupees. Now method 5. In the fifth method, you can use the formula. So the formula says that amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by n into t. So where p is the principal, r is the rate of interest, n is the interest compounded in a year. If it is compounded annually, then n is 1. If it is compounded twice a year, then n will be 2. And this t is the time for the investment. Now in our case, this is principal is 100 rupees. We are going to invest. So this is 10% per annum. But in order to remove the percentage, we need to divide it by 100. So 10 by 100, and n is 1 because it is going to compound it annually once, and time is 2 years. So if you will just solve this, so this is 0.1 plus 1 is 1.1 ka square. This is 100 into 1.1 into 1.1. So this is 121. So after 2 years, you will get 121 rupees. So these are the 5 methods with the help of which you can find the compound interest. If you like this method and you want me to create more videos on each one of method, then I will do it for you. Kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.